Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your motherboard supports UEFI Secure Boot and that firmware is current. Once done, create a Windows recovery drive and back up important files. This protects you if settings block boot. Next, reboot into firmware settings. On most PCs, press Delete, F2, or a vendor-specific key. You need to locate boot mode or CSM settings to switch from legacy to UEFI. Do this now. Enabling Secure Boot requires the system already running in UEFI mode. You next enable Secure Boot inside UEFI. With boot mode set to UEFI, find the Secure Boot menu. Toggle Secure Boot to Enabled. If the firmware asks about keys, choose to enroll platform keys or select the vendor-provided Windows/standard keys. This ensures OS drivers are recognized. Save and exit firmware, then let Windows start. Once booted, open System Information and confirm Secure Boot reads on. If it does, the system will satisfy most anti-cheat requirements, including those Fortnite may enforce. To finish, make sure Fortnite's anti-cheat recognizes Secure Boot by updating or repairing Easy Anti-Cheat and verifying Fortnite launches. If Windows fails to boot after enabling Secure Boot, use your recovery drive to roll back firmware changes or reset Secure Boot keys to default. This often restores bootability. Also, update GPU and system drivers. Secure Boot can reject unsigned drivers. If problems persist, temporarily disable Secure Boot, boot into Windows, update drivers, then re-enable. This resolves most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.